Here are my course mates. Rational D principle. Jenny and Richie.
I want to flex my love.
King
I want
Paul.
to bless. And I want to carry my love away to a place she
Peter.
loves. I'm a man. I want to impress.
Asodin
And I want to
acoustic.
carry my love away to a place she loves.
Esther.